measure the real success of your campaigns? Which channel drives revenue and where should you invest more? Welcome to BM Infotrade Private Limited. Let's take a quick look up at our campaign performance insight dashboard. At the top, we get a snapshot of our key matrices, total impressions showing how many times our campaigns were seen, content spread rate, which tells how widely our content is distributed, conversion rate, the percentage of users who completed the desired action, cost per conversion helping us track marketing efficiency, revenue the value generated and our return of investment, which shows the return we are getting on our investment. You'll also notice the crore lakh thousand and one selector. This allows users to instantly change the number format, making the report easy to read for both leadership and operational teams. Next, the spread rate by channel help us compare platform performance. From Google Ads and Facebook ads to Instagram, YouTube, email, and website. The revenue by channel visual clearly shows which platforms are contributing the most to business growth. On the right, revenue by campaign type and name lets us compare awareness, lead generation, retention, and sales so we know which objective delivers the highest value. At the bottom, the impression trend over the time tracks visibility month by month, while the performance funnel shows the complete journey from impressions to conversion. And with filters for fiscal year, fiscal month, fiscal quarter, campaign type, and campaign name, we can drill down into any campaign instantly. This dashboard helps us optimize spend, improve conversion, and maximize returns all in one place. BM Infotrade Private Limited, where data turns every campaign into measurable success.